Hi guys, today I had some Whittle Shortline trains delivered. We're gonna open them up. Okay, sorry, I'm only doing this with one hand. So I'm just gonna take this out. A little paper. Okay. So we have the Whittle Shortline BNSF C44 7839. And if you're wondering, if you go on Whittle Shortline and you didn't see this is now for sale. It's just started coming for sale not too long ago. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out of the package. I'm just gonna grab scissors. And we are gonna take it out of the package. Open here. So here it is. BNSF. So as soon as I went on to the company, I saw this train. I was like, I need to get this. So yeah. So yeah, that's the front. And then what you're gonna see next is gonna be even cooler. It is the BNSF 25th anniversary train. I'm gonna open this one up too. Oh, that's nice. I just figured out. I don't know if that was a little short line that left a little crack right there for me to open with, or if I just did that on accident. I think the company did that. So I'm gonna put this one out. So this is really cool. My cat's paw just went under the door of this room. Okay. So yeah, here's all the BNSF companies. It's hard to see, sorry, it's blurry. If it is, I don't know. Just from the phone, it looks like it's blurry. Front, see the little 25th anniversary writing under that door. My cat's trying to break in right now. So yeah, this is the BNSF 25th anniversary C44 Whittle Shortline 5828. So yeah, I was thinking about buying a CSX gray C44, but I was like, everyone's probably going to start wanting to buy them after they see this video, or after they just see their own company. And everyone's just going to want it and they're going to be sold out. So that's why I just bought them as soon as I saw them. So yeah, those are the two. The comparison. The front one has the 25th anniversary sign. And you know what I noticed? I realized one engine's color is a little brighter than my other color. Like this one's color is a little bit brighter than this one. Why is the phone so blurry? There. Why is it so blurry? I don't know. No, that's even worse. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure once you see after this video, any of these are in stock, you should get them because they're probably going to be sold out really soon if they're both in stock. That's why I just wanted to get both of them. So yeah, thanks for watching today, guys. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and See you guys in the next video, which will probably include these two. Bye.